Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're on a gastronomic adventure to discover one of Korea's most beloved dishes, bulgogi. Beyond its tender and flavorful marinated meat, bulgogi holds intriguing stories and cultural significance. So, let's dive in and uncover the hidden wonders of this iconic Korean delight. Bulgogi, which means fire meat, is a traditional Korean dish that dates back centuries. Typically made with thinly sliced beef, the magic of bulgogi lies in its marinade. The meat is soaked in a blend of soy sauce, garlic, sesame oil, and other secret ingredients, infusing it with mouth-watering flavors that dance on your taste buds. What sets bulgogi apart is the special marinating technique. In Korea, bulgogi is often marinated for several hours or even overnight, allowing the meat to soak in all those delectable flavors. This careful preparation transforms the meat into a tender and succulent masterpiece that's ready to be grilled or pan-fried to perfection. While beef bulgogi is the most popular, this dish isn't limited to just one type of meat. Variations with chicken, dak bulgogi, or pork, dweji bulgogi, are equally loved and offer a delightful twist on the classic recipe. Each variation adds a unique character to the dish, showcasing the versatility of bulgogi. Bulgogi isn't just a dish, it's a symbol of togetherness and celebration. In Korean culture, bulgogi is often served during special occasions, family gatherings, and festive events. Sharing a meal of bulgogi brings people closer, strengthening bonds and creating cherished memories. Over the years, bulgogi has gained immense popularity worldwide, becoming a staple in many international Korean restaurants. Its delightful combination of flavors and tender texture has won the hearts of food enthusiasts everywhere, earning its place as a favorite among global cuisines. Beyond its delicious taste, bulgogi offers numerous health benefits. The lean meat, paired with the marinade's natural ingredients, makes it a nutritious choice. The dish is rich in protein, essential vitamins, and minerals, making it a satisfying and wholesome option for all food lovers. And there you have it, the enchanting tale of Korean bulgogi and the captivating secrets it holds. From its rich history and marinating techniques to its global appeal and symbolic traditions, bulgogi is a culinary treasure worth experiencing. If you found this exploration into the world of bulgogi intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. And, of course, if you want to explore more exciting content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy eating and stay curious.